So everyone, you join me here today. It's really windy. You join me here with the R34 in the background. So everyone, let me stop you right there. I apologize for the really bad audio quality. This was from a couple of months back and I hadn't upgraded my audio equipment by then. So just gonna straight up start off by apologizing with that. Wow, it is really windy. But yeah, there's the babe. This is the other car. Nah, it's not his car, it's a customer's car. Gonna jump inside. You've been good to me, babe. So, I even got this to, talk about all the things that I gotta talk to you guys about. So, the R34 has been sold. As you guys can see right now, the R34 has been sold to Steve. So, it has gone as part payment towards the R33 that my brother is getting built by Steve. But Steve has had a new baby girl. He's got a car basically now that represents his brand as well as an awesome daily driver. He's already done so much to it. If you don't follow him on Instagram or anything like that, you need to follow him. As well as my brother actually. I'm going to put their details here. Make sure you guys follow them. As well as me actually. Yo, follow me. But yeah. Let me jump back to my list. So yeah, Steve's got the R34 now. It's gone as part payment towards my brother's R33. It's gone to a really good home. He's going to take way better care of it than I could have at the moment because he has all the access to everything and has all the tools and equipment and whatnot. So I'm really happy about that. I'm sad that I got rid of the R34, but I am really happy that he has gone to an amazing home.
He's like, that's on the like smart. Yeah, something like that. Oh, man.
Man, get the...
Yeah. Avoid everything else.
Warning, if you don't like spiders, don't look at the screen for the next 30 seconds. Or for how long I say now. So, why did we go to see my brother's R33 on this day? Well, this was the day that we went down because Steve said it's going to shit. Yo! That is a nasty spider coming down. Yo! Yo, look at this guy. What the? I just need to show you guys how close that is. Like, he's just climbing up and down. I'm recording here, and this guy's just doing whatever yo, look, that's messed up. So I genuinely am gonna have to stop the record. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the tripod right now. It's attaching its web to the tripod. That ain't cool, homie. That's nasty. Just so everyone knows, I don't really like spiders, so that was a hell of a distraction for me. Yeah, that was interesting. I'm gonna definitely have to be careful when I'm out. I told my brother he had one job this weekend to get rid of the spiders in the window areas. So, bro, you better do that for me. Where was I with my list? Where'd my list go? So, jumping into why we went down to see Steve. So, he was getting fresh paint put onto the R33 today. So we got to see the car completely bare metal. An amazing experience. Never seen a car like this before, especially one that my brother owns. It was just so cool. We know so much about this car already. It's already part of the family. And it was just really amazing to see it in such a different way. So here's what the car looked like. So the paint system that my brother went for is a specific one called Novol. They are well known in the paint industry in terms of their really good care system that they have, where it's a 7-stage paint protection system. And what in essence they do with that is you have to apply the paint in a specific way, and they offer, I think it's like 10 or 15 years, I might be completely mistaken, but I'm pretty sure it's quite a good few years worth of warranty on the rust protection and the paint. So that is pretty amazing to get paints and things like that when it's brand new, but not really so much once you've had a respray. So my brother straight away opted in for that, and he was like, yep, my car's going to get the best form of protection that it can. So here we are, just looking around some of the parts and stuff like that. The R33 has had everything laid out from its, literally from every part of it.
That is a Mel's car.
Yeah, basically. Is that the rear? No, that's the front window, isn't it? Or is that the rear?
No, that's not from his car.
Oh. Oh.
His
No, okay, the one.
His glass is all around the other side. But yeah, you've basically got that's engine bay laid out, obviously rad at the front, fuse box laid out how it should be for the sides.
So cool.
It's got all bumpers, brake lines, exhaust, side skirts have got, well, no they won't because they're new, I'll go over there.
Yeah.
Side skirts way down there, but
There's all this. Damn.
there's a lot of stuff.
That's pretty crazy. Yep, there you go. That's the random arms. Wow. It's like a damn horror movie setup, but just full of Skyline parts. That's my brother's shell.
That paint stripper, please tell me that was a time lapse.
No, that was. I'm telling you, that was. I'm telling you, that was.
Give me some.
It's good, isn't it?
What the fuck is that?
It's good, isn't it? But the secret is to it, though, Steve.
If Honda don't service my car, they're forecourt picking up. You'll have a lot of money in paint jobs.
Seriously, mate, the secret is to it. Key it first. Like,
Ah, that's nice. No filler.
Ooh, damn.
yeah, that's what I thought.
Fuck that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I
What
thought.
are you about the roof?
Yeah. We've stripped it all down. Like I say, you've probably seen the videos and bits and bobs.
I haven't seen anything today, actually.
Sorry, mate?
I haven't seen anything today.
No, oh, you haven't? Yeah, so there's a video of it with some paint stripper and whatnot.
Oh.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Like primer. It's sick.
Bit different to last time you see it, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why me and him were like, I want to primer it, and I don't. We've had a compromise. Here one.
I think, personally, I think it's the right.
Okay. I've done a little bit of reading into it,
Yeah.
but I can't really find too much online about Novol.
If this
There is-
if this had come from blasted,
Yeah.
and I'd not seen it, and the customer got it blasted, and brought it to Mark, and Mark got it primed, and it come to me,
Then it's an issue.
I would refuse the job.
Yeah.
Because like I said, prime bits like I just showed you there, right, pinholes, right, the primer will cover that up, I will not see it, and then 2 years time,
You will.
now I've gone around this
One
car,
thing, actually, this is shining. I want to get rid of the air with
that's
it.
fine, I'll do that.
So,
And look, like that, look, just that well done, right, pinhole.
To be fair, I was rippled in a couple of places anyway, but
I asked him, I said to him, I went, the column
Yeah.
is then up in.
yeah, it don't matter though, does it? It's like I say, it's being replaced. Well, that's probably a just then.
No, that was full.
full of filler.
No, it was
This
straight.
bit, man, that was well deep in this area, because he had, when you hit filler in the glass cabinet,
You think
Some
it's full
stuff.
as well?
he said,
Doing
why
both.
did you clear? You can see it.
Yeah.
There's any colours, I'm just going. I hate red oxide colour.
Even the frame's now in red as well.
Just start that again.
Nah, don't worry. It's supposed to be authentic. It's really thin.
It's drying off. Yeah, it's dry off, mate. So you can see it seeps into everywhere. Do you see what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like, so you can still see.
You don't hide it.
You can still see what you're dealing with. It's the first time I've used this particular primer.
Yeah. Obviously, it looks really good.
But it's critical to work.
Yeah.
So no, but basically, I'll be honest with you, mate. There's a few references, but
It is the base primer anyway.
exactly. I just thought,
It's fine.
it bothers me, though, obviously, because it's my trade, you know, it's like, you know, yeah. But there's plenty on there.
You can see that part there. It's all concave. Yeah.
Warm in here, isn't it? I'll just get it dried up, mate, that's all. Just showing them all the rest and turn that temperature down.
What was it? Gravitational
Gravitational defects.
defects. That's it.
He said to do a job until I'm finished.
The next video on the R33 will probably come towards the end of January or beginning of February. I think my brother is looking to go and visit end of January. So we're going to see how we work around with that. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick look into my brother's R33. You got to see it in its bare shell. You got to see all the problems with it as well. Everyone, if you do own a Skyline, please make sure you're taking good care of it. Make sure you're doing stuff preventive of anything getting worse in terms of rust and stuff like that. And if you do get any work done to it, get it done properly. The reason why my brother's rear arches were starting to rust from the inside was because of the way it wasn't taken care of properly. I hope you guys have enjoyed this enough to make sure you subscribe to my channel to see regular updates in terms of my brother's R33 as well as my E30 right behind me. And make sure you follow my brother on his Instagram, Steve on his Instagram as well, and me, you know, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, or not. It's up to you guys. Keep dreaming on whatever you want to achieve in 2020. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.